ATI Cloud Update. Now we all know that ATI is awesome. It has been doing adding lots and lots of applications and attacks every 2 weeks. In the last year, we every month we used to add malwares, but it was still not as fast as the attacks were getting produced. I mean, every day there are a few thousand new malwares getting into the system, and that's why we needed the agility of cloud, where the customer has the flexibility to download from the cloud anytime some of these updates. So from 8.40 onwards, we created something called a cloud update, and we incrementally added many features in 8.50. And let me show them through another quick demo. So once you log into the breaking point, if you click on the breaking point icon, you will see something called updates available. If this would automatically, if this chassis is connected to the internet, it will automatically connect to our cloud update service and see what is the delta between what is there in the chassis and what we have produced already. And once you click it, you will see that there is strike packs available, malwares available, evergreen or daily malware. And all of them are very interesting. The most interesting part is, of course, the daily malware, where we are adding new malwares every day. So you can actually go ahead and download any of those days. The last 30 days malwares will be there. And apart from daily malwares, we had our previous old monthly malwares. If a customer doesn't want to add dailies, they can have a smaller set, a relatively smaller set that we added for each month. They can add that as well. Install it all at once. You can select all of them together and install everything together, and including strike packs, evergreen, everything installed together. But here is the much more interesting thing. Not only can you install something here, you can also uninstall from it. So for to show that, I will quickly install a few daily malwares, and let's see how it goes. So I have to say that I have created a backup, and once I say that, I will install the updates. It's pretty fast because it's downloading um, from a cloud and doing the installation. Now, the malware got installed, and you can see it took a few minutes, but you see that there is an install update that operation was successful. What you see is that instead of no packages installed, which was there, now you see what are the packages installed. That's very interesting because you can actually go to those packages, click them, and uninstall them without going into the breaking point GUI at all. So that's another cool new feature. Now let's quickly see what we installed in this 5 packages. Let's go to this device and let's go to the strike list and search by maybe today's date, the year, so 2018. And you can see different days malwares installed. So not only the different days, you can see they're already classified into different categories like Android, APT, document, financial, and ransomwares, and some other categories, retail, Win32. So that's very significant. If the customer, this basically means that not only each day's malwares are installed as a strike list, which you can find as the data strike list with 100 malwares each, which is the count of malware that we publish every day, new malwares. But we also classify them into different named strike lists, so customers can actually choose the category that is most relevant to them and run them. Like they can run all the ransomwares of 2018 and be with it. So cool new feature. Let's get back to the presentation. Now, most of this I have already covered about malware. So few things to note again is that we publish 100 malwares per day, which is almost as many as our competitor publishes in a month. So you can think of the scale of attacks that we are publishing every day and how this would make the testing very relevant, very timely, and very to the point where people are actually testing something that came out fresh in the internet environment. Apart from malwares, we are also using this to install strike packs. So if you remember strike packs, we do around 12 to 4 each month, around 2 strike packs, and around 24 strike packs in a year. So that also can be installed from this. And a big advantage of ATI cloud is that it takes the decisions away from the customer. Previously, if you remember, for the strike pack, for certain strike packs, we had to install the base build for that strike pack, then install the strike pack that's relevant to that. Here, with the incremental update, it's all decisions that the cloud takes. Like if you are installing a strike packs X, which is for a base build Y, whatever strike packs that came before that, like x-1, x-2, x-3, all of them also gets installed if they are not already present in the system. If they are present, only x gets installed. That reduces the download time and things like that. Similarly, we went one step further. For example, if you are um, installing a strike pack X that needs a base build Y, whereas you only have base build Y minus 1, we also install the Y build along with the strike pack. So lots of decisions made easy by the cloud updates. Just few clicks, give it some time, and you have all the packages, all the updates that are available in the cloud at that time.